Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today in this video we are going to learn about variables in Python. So let me tell you that variables are the containers to store values. Okay, now let's learn about the Python variables one by one. So let's begin. You need to declare the variable first. So I will write the variable name variable first. So this var underscore first is our variable name. Okay, you can give different variable names, and this equals to sign will assign the values to the variable. So this is the container and you are going to put some values in this. Okay, so let me put 25 here, and let me tell you, Python automatically identified the type based on the values assigned. Okay, so we don't need to specify types manually. So here you can see 25 is the whole number. This is called the integer variable. Okay, so now there is the decimal numbers. So here 25.36 is the decimal value, and the decimal values are known as float point number. And another thing is values can be text also. So for text you need to keep it in double quotes or single quotes. This is string value. So you can give double quotes as well as single quotes. And remember one thing, that if you keep numbers inside of this double quotes, then this number will act as a string in Python. Okay, so this is the variable of Python. And remember that values can be number and can be text and can be the entire function, which we will come in our future. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you very much.